Hello, it's Spence from WP Launch Club with your WordPress tip of the day. Today I want to introduce you to a tool that's going to revolutionize the way you do Zoom calls. If you're anything like myself, you spend a good majority of your time prospecting for new customers by having a free onboarding call. In doing so, it's oftentimes very valuable for you or the prospect to refer back to what you were saying in the call. Now, I don't know about you, but I've made it a practice of recording every one of my Zoom calls unless the person says they otherwise object. This gives me the chance to suggest to them that if anything meaningful comes from our call, I'll be able to share with them not only the video, but also the transcript. Now, that's been done in the past using the native call capability and recording of Zoom, and there have been some other tools that I've highlighted in previous WP Launch Club videos that have helped me. But Fathom is a unique product. What this does is a combination of recording, transcribing, and live tools that allow me and the person interacting to get the highlights put into different sort of bookmarks or action items or subcategories for later use. It is a really simple interface, so let me walk you through it and then using this example show you how I feel it's delivering huge value. First of all, here's from their slide deck. When you're actually recording on Zoom, there's a little box that opens up in the right-hand side that allows you to actually record presently for free, which I find amazing, via Fathom. And once you've started, then a toolbox drops down that allows you to see various click to trigger, I'll call them action items. You can actually create custom ones, or there's a pre-made set of things that already exist. And these allow you to know in advance by clicking on it, this is something that I want to look at later, and it groups them together. Even if you don't use that, however, you can still see the full transcript, as I'll show you, and go back and refer to it. Now, when the call is done, those items themselves have the ability to drag you right back to the part in the video, as well as to show you, and I love how it's clipped, each of the things that was said. Here's a demo call that shows exactly how this might work. On the right-hand side, I've got action items, highlights, sales pitch, bookmarks. If I want, I can go to any particular place and it'll put me exactly at that spot. If I click on it, it will actually adjust the video and take me to that particular spot. Another benefit of it is I can actually take any of the particular items and I can either use a copy and paste, or I can use one of these things to edit it, change it, trim it. So if there's typos and so forth, then I can share it. I can share it directly by using one of these tools so somebody can see the entire interaction. Maybe it's my customer, maybe it's a team member. But I can also copy the full summary out, or I can just take the particular bit and paste it over into, for example, my CRM. I can paste it into email. I can put it into a Google Doc. I can save it as something on my website. And the entire thing is saved back in my directory. So I had some live calls today that I tried with a few people, and I used their demo. I can go back and refer to these particular items. And for right now, at least, their policy is that these are free. I guess because they're in early stages, they're a venture-backed company. This is quite frankly a game changer. It's free to try. I'm giving you a link in the video below so you click on it and you won't have to be in a line and you can just go ahead and use it. I'm not making any money from this. They don't charge anything, but I definitely feel like you're going to gain a huge amount of leverage as I have over your calls in Zoom by using this. The most important takeaway is that, like in my case, when I'm using my free onboarding call, I'm asking people a series of questions to learn about them. Then I'm showing them the things that could be different, and then I'm basically pitching one or more of my products or services. Those are three unique things, and if this tool provides me, as it will to you, the ability to memorialize what the person said, memorialize what I showed them, and memorialize what I pitched them, those are available for me or them to use in the future as the basis for founding a new relationship. I hope this helps you out, and you'll try fathom.video, this is their home URL, today for free using the link that I provide in this blog post or video. If you haven't subscribed or liked the WP Launch Club channel on YouTube, please do so. I'm moving forward into a model where I'm not earning my revenue from YouTube, but I'm definitely trying to get all of my variety of other audiences over to the WP Launch Club for these daily videos. I'll see you on the next one.